the main functionalities of the customer side of the app. So let's quickly log in as a customer. The customer will be navigated to this home page as the first impression. Then as we can see, there's a huge variety of restaurants, so the customer can order whatever he wants, and there are some filtrations options here. So search bar and search bar filter by the category, like this. Once he enter what he wants, it will return the restaurants with those food items, like as we can see here. Then he can also filter these results by the category, food category. And then let's move on to the order placement part. There's a option called My Carts, which will act as a shopping cart, and then the customer can go to a restaurant he prefer and add whatever he wants into that cart with preferred sizes and preferred quantities. And also he can add many items to this shopping cart likewise. And as you can see here, the items are added into this cart, and then he can also go to another restaurant and add those items to the this cart too. Likewise, as we can see here, these carts are created restaurant wise, and in here the customer can view the carts and place the order with the cart he wants to order, and then he should select view cart option, and here he can remove items if he wants to, and also he can modify the quantities too. And then he should select the delivery location and should click this place order. In this function, I have created the socket which will be used to display the order request in real time in the relevant restaurant manager's dashboard. So as we can see here, the restaurant dashboard requests are empty now. Once a customer places an order, that request will be shown in the relevant restaurant owner's dashboard. He can accept or reject this order request according to his preference. Let's accept this order. So as you can see here, it updates real time, and then the customer will be navigated to this checkout part, which was done by another group, Sangali Dias, and then he can choose whatever the card he wants to pay with, and then he will be navigated to this page which shows the order statuses. As you can see here, the order status is already updated as the paid, and the restaurant owner can update this status, and also the delivery person can also update these statuses. Let's update one. So the restaurant owner will update this status, and the status will be updated here. and also I have integrated this with the notification services. Once a customer places an order, the email will be sent by this system. Like this.
Hi everyone, so I'll be presenting my service, which is a payment service. So after order is done, the user can check out and do the payment. They can select one of their saved cards, or they could use another card. So currently they could enter the card details and enter a name to store the card, and they could either save this card or not, and then they could process with the payment. And once the payment is successful, they'll be directed to the My Orders page. So the payment was handled using the Stripe payment gateway. And next, coming to My Cards, the user can save their cards, and they could make alterations to the card name if they want. So they can actually edit the card name, and then they could delete the card if they want. And if needed, they could add new cards over here. This is also being handled by Stripe. And next, that's it for the user side. And next, we will move on to the delivery side. So coming to the delivery, this is the dashboard where the delivery personnel could look into their earnings, average payout, and they could have detailed tables. And if needed, they could download the CSV for that. And they could look into the details of their payments. Then let's get into the restaurant dashboard as well. They are also in the earnings page. It's kind of similar to the delivery personnel's. It will be showing all the payout details and a graph to have an overview, and there also they can export the CSV file. And next, when coming to the admin panel, this is the dashboard about the orders, the restaurants available, the delivery personnels, and they could have an overview of the delivery personnels. And by clicking on the view button, they could get more info, and they could also verify the delivery personnel as well after looking into the information. And then they'll be receiving a mail saying that they got verified. And same for the restaurant management. In there, the restaurant details will be shown, and they could click on the V button and get more information about the restaurant. And once that is done, they could click the verify button. And once the verification is done, the user will receive a mail confirming that they are verified. So this is what it looks like. And usually when the orders are done and the paybacks are taking place, it will be happening when the status of the order is taking place. The user will get mails about their payback and that their payback has been processed. And this is the revenue where they have the overview of the platform commissions will be shown, and the admin can edit the commission value. And also they could look into the paybacks, and if needed they could filter the paybacks as well in the sense they could filter by the receiver type, like whether it is a restaurant or whether it is for delivery. So that is it for my part. Thank you.
This is the restaurant management module where restaurant owners can manage availability, orders, and menu items efficiently through a dashboard. Restaurant owner logs into the system to access the dashboard. This is the availability toggle. It is to switch mark restaurant as available or unavailable. This is the order request panel, and it shows real-time messages when a new order is placed by a customer. And the summary section displays the completed orders, total orders, and monthly revenue. In the bottom section, it displays 5 most recent orders and displays 5 most popular order items. Now let's go to the Orders tab. The restaurant owner can view a list of all received orders here. The restaurant owner can view the order info for each and every order. And here is a rejected order. If the owner accepts the order, the status changes to accepted, and if the owner rejected the order, status changes to rejected. If the order is accepted, then the status can be updated to preparing and then to ready. Now let's go to the My Menus tab. This displays all menu items in a searchable table. Restaurant owner can search menu items by item name or category, and each item has availability toggle to mark in or out of stock and edit and delete buttons. Now let's add a new menu item. Here's the new menu item we have added.
Hello everyone, I am Dilnajala. Today I am going to describe food delivery part in this project. First of all, I will log in as the delivery person. This is the your main interface of the delivery person. Delivery person can view all nearby orders using map view and also all past orders. When clicking some order, delivery person can assign that order. Then after he can view this or all assign orders in this view, and delivery person can get direction to the that order. So using this view, delivery person can view their all order histories, and also delivery person can update the status of the order, like pickup, delivered, likewise. And also delivery person will notify with all new orders within this view. When customer placing order will first of all notify to the restaurant. Then after prepared the meal, the restaurant can update the status of the order. When update the status as the ready, order will notify to the nearby all delivery persons. So I will do it in here using API call.
when update the status as ready. In this view, delivery person can view their nearby all new orders. Then after delivery person is available, he can assign that orders using this mark. And also in here we can delivery person can see all assigned orders. And using this view, delivery person can monitor their earning of the delivery, and he can export the report of the all incomes. Thank you.